It's 2:16 in the morning, June 26, 2022. And yet my mind still races as my consciousness runs through the West Wild beast of yesterday. I don't know if people were still on their right mind during these days. Does your happiness completely overlap your morality and ethics? Have you forgotten to respect other people's personal private space? It's completely evident that what you were doing is not right. Out of desperation, you forgot to use your brain. Just because no one answers your taupo for a while, you intend to trespass over someone else's private property, to the point that you were giving them more of anxiety. You scared them. As you can see, they can't even fall asleep during this hour. Whenever she closes her eyes, all she can remember was the ghost of your immorality and trespassing actions. Just because you thought that there's no one at home, you believe what you were doing is what makes you feel better and right, just to get your ball. I can't even express anything more regarding this situation, my dear. No one in this neighborhood actually cares, not even the higher-ups itself. Instead of taking actions for what had happened right after you received the report, you keep on comparing these citizens to their neighbors, just because they're the only ones that is consistently reporting, whereas people invading their property and privacy, their peaceful place. What I meant invading, people have no morality to hold up their pee and just pee in front of the gate. People have been trying to jump off the car just because they think that it is abandoned. They thought that their house is abandoned as well. So, these people attempt to trespass. I am saying these things not because someone is far way different when it comes to living on a neighborhood. Doesn't mean you'll disrespect them. You've forgotten your integrity at home, or through that ball. Consider this letter as a way of expressing the author's deepest dismay towards the environment that they lived in. A house that is supposed to be a safest place, a comforting place, peaceful and happy place. You, as an immoral people, took that privilege for your own advantage. Oh, well, the world is round. The author may not see your karma, but she believes that it would come towards you no matter what. And this is Miss F. Berry. Till our next letters, you can send us your shout out just like this, and all your frustrations, anger, happiness, excitement, and more will be heard. That's it for now. Unknowingly sender has been heard. You can share this video to friends or any social media, so then our sender Miss Unknowingly will be heard enough. Thank you, goodbye, and may the God bless, guide, and protect us at all times. Regardless our own immoral intention to harm others. Well, it's not totally serious. It's a sarcasm. So yeah, I think it ends here. Goodbye.